is good. Julian is number 17. Going for the basket and no good. The rebounding is good. The ball is no good for the ballers. Number 6 of Narsen. Number 12. Counted. Number 4 going to Yenes. Yenes for 3. Ballers number 4 going to, and the basket is good for number 6 of Narsen to number 12 going to number 29. Number 29 and the basket. Ballers going to number 4. Going to the number. Number is, what is your number? 2. Number 6. Foul for number 28. Third personal foul. Being number 12 going to number 6 of Narsen going to number 11. Number 12, Piña, no good. Rebound by number 7, 2 points. Number 12 for Piña going to number 6 and going back to number 12, going to number 11 for the basket is good. Ballers number 17, no good. Rebound number 16. Yes, going to number 4, aiming for the basket is no good, and the rebounding for number Piña. Number 17 to 7, and back to 97, and the no good. Pinasa kay number 11, binigay kay number 13 for 2. Jersey number 7 for ballers going to Yenes, and Yenes aiming for the basket, passing through. No good for the basket. 30 seconds on the clock. Narsen Piña number 12 for the basket and no good. 10 seconds on the clock. Number 6 of Team Narsen for 2 points. In favor of Team Narsen. Team Narsen rebounding for the ballers is the ball, and the Narsen get the ball. 27 to Pastolero number 8 and to number 21. Narsen out. Ballers number 97. Narsen jersey number 6 going to number 21. 21 to number 8 to number 27, and the foul has been. Ballers number 4 to 17 has been still by ballers. Yenes number 17 for 2. Signal. Ballers number 17. Delaying the game.
Kailan? Ngayon?
14. For Team Ballers. Jersey number 23, another 23, and number 17, jersey number 16, 2 points. Number 6 of Team Narsen, good for 2 points. And going to the basket, and it is no good. And the ball is going to Team Narsen. Caranza number 6 to 11. Going to number and 13. Jersey number 23 to number 18. Going to number 18 again. And the Piña number 12 of Team Narsen to number 21. 23 to number 4. and the basket is good.
Oops!
10 seconds on the clock. Ball is number 18 to number 4. 2 points. Team Narsen, jersey number 11. Going to number 6. 10 seconds to shot clock. Ballers number 18. Going to number 4. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Jersey number 7 of Narsen for 2. Narsen, jersey number 11. And good for 2. Bowlers number 7 to number 6. Going to number 4. Going to the bowlers number 4 to number 17. It is number 2 to number 7.
Wow!
Good. To number 17. Back to 7 and number 4. Aiming for 3. And basket is good.
Patrick. Yay!
2 points for
Well,
jersey
Patrick.
number 7 of team. Jersey number 7 of ballers to number 17. Yes. No good. And a rebound. And no good. And another rebound of team ballers.
Nice one.
2 points still by ballers number 17. Free throw for jersey number 17. Number 6. Back to number 12 to number 21 again. 10 to shoot. Of Team Narsen going for the basket. Pass to number 27. 17. Pass to 16. Basket number rebound. 1 minute on the clock. Rebound by number 13 of Team Narsen. And another rebound by 27. Number 27. 2 points. 45 seconds. Number 6 of ballers pass to number 16. 2 points. Team Narsen to number 4. 2 points. 10 seconds on the clock. 27 to number 12. Ballers number 16. No good. Rebound by number 6 of Narsen going to number 26 and the basket is good. Ballers number 4 aiming and the layup is 2 points. Ballers number 4 nakuha ng Narsen. 29 to 21 back to number 6 2.
Pakita ko daw sa'yo. Hala, ganda. Yan ang pambato.
Ballers number 16 and jersey number 12 to number 6 and 2 points. Pass to number 17. Number 17 back to 97 and another 17 going to the basket. 2 points. Vina number 12 dribbling and passing to number 21 Milano of Team Narsen, and the ball is been held by Lianes number 17 going to number 97. 2 more of ballers going to 17 layup for 2. Ilano going to the basket and no good. Ballers number 4. Passing through the eyes of love and no good. In favor of Team Narsen. Narsen number 27 to number 12. Aiming for basket. To number 17. No good. Ilana number 21 to number 6. Carries out. Team Narsen going to Bina number 12. Pass to 27. 2. To number 4. And the basket is good for 3. Number 21. Number 17 for 2. 21 Ilano. To number 27 to number 12 to number 29. Basket is good. Number 4 for ballers. 2 points. Ilano 21 for the basket, no good. No good. Team Narsen 27 back to 21. 2 points. And no good. Narsen jersey number 27 for 2. Everybody on the run.
Go!
And number 4, aiming for 3. And no good. Rebound by number 27 of Narsen. Back to number 16 of Ballers to number 4. Number 4 for the layup for 2.
Nice one!
Number 6 of Ballers going to number 4. And number 17. No good.
Shoot mo, Jay! Jay! Pat! Pat!
Ballers number 16 going through the basket.
Ah!
Still by number 27 going to number 12 of Team Narsen. Aiming for the ball number 7.
Go, Mane!
Bian for 2. Number 17 for Ballers, 2 points. To number 17, aiming for 3. No good. Rebound. Narsen number 7 to number 21 going to the next basket. And the basket is good. Number 17 for 3. 20 seconds on the clock. At inuwas ang oras